I have worked with IBM, I have worked with Intel. Most recently, I have worked with this edtech company called Lumiere Education. Hi, my name is Shambo Mukherjee. I'm a third year. I am a computer science and psychology double major. I worked with this professor from our B school on a research project on the effects and uses of artificial intelligence in the corporate workplace. I have worked with IBM, I have worked with Intel. Most recently, I have worked with this edtech company called Lumiere Education for the past from April to August of 2025. I will talk about Lumiere. So I worked with a bunch of teams, a very cross-functional set of teams. I worked on setting up their entire careers website. I worked on setting up their entire hiring module for writers using Zapier, Python and a lot of no-code tools. I also worked with their marketing team on SEO, on improving their current main website for performance, for load times, for standards and stuff like that. And I also worked with their marketing team on writing some articles. A lot of my courses did apply to my work, but perhaps the most important would have been something like the first year course design thinking, or perhaps one of my computer science courses on data structures or even website design. Because I think what really matters is that you have the prerequisite knowledge so that you don't have to go onto the internet and figure out what you need to know and then apply it first. The greatest skill I've learned at Krea probably has to be how to manage people better in an informal way. I have worked a lot before, so I knew how to manage people in a formal setting per se, but never really on how to work with them informally, but through class projects, through working at clubs, through just random discussions at any time of the day. I have really learned how to, connect with people informally, how to just understand what they are feeling and what they want, and making some use of that and ensuring that we are working together optimally. So I think that's the greatest skill I've learned at Krea that's helped me at all these internships. Career services have helped me with almost all of my internships. I mean, prep for application aside, like resume building, how to write your resume, how to write your cover letter, stuff like that. The career office has always kept in contact with me through different stages of applications to these internships. And most of these internships are things that CSO itself found me, so I'm very grateful to them. It definitely has helped me define my career path. It has also helped me validate my career path, because I've always wanted to go into something like product building or like connecting different teams working on a single solution. So I think all of my internships have been about how things can be made better use of, what effect do new introductions have, what can you do as a cross-functional team or as a set of cross-functional teams on improving your general product. So I think it has very much helped me to define and validate my career path. This internship most certainly has helped me shape my growth in a way that I was not expecting per se, because I have worked as a freelancer before, I've worked with few companies before, but I think what sets these internships apart per se is how, even though they are internships in the real world, they are still structured. Like, they are not things that throw me directly into the deep end. They do take out the time to train you to do what you have to do. They take out the resources to give to you to be able to do what you do best, and most importantly, they pay well. So, good motivation.